Hello everyone. Today I am going to start chapter number 1, Computer Fundamental. So, first thing is, what is computer? A computer is a machine or a device that performs processes, calculation and operation based on an instruction provided by a software or hardware program which accepts data in its raw form along with the instructions, processes it electronically and give the useful information. Second, what is data? Computer processes the raw information as per the instruction given to it. The raw information which doesn't make much sense in itself is called data. Information. The data is processed by the computer as per instruction to give us the required output called information. Now, computer system. Computer systems include two things. First, hardware. Second thing is software. In hardware, input devices, output devices, processing devices and storage devices. And in software, application software, and second is system software. So, what is hardware? Computer hardware means physical component of the computer system. It can be seen and touched by the user. For example, joystick, mouse, mic, printer, hard disk, DVD or CD. In hardware, we know input devices, output devices, processing devices and storage devices. So, input devices, devices which are connected with the computer to give data and instruction as an input to the computer are called input devices. For example, mouse, joystick, microphone, etc. So, output devices, devices connected to the computer to give output of the information processed by the computer are called output devices. For example, monitor, printer, speaker, plotter, etc. Now, next thing is processing devices. Data in the computer is processed as per the user's instructions to produce the useful results. This processing is done by the hardware component called CPU, Central Processing Unit. CPU is composed of the following unit. First, Arithmetic Logic Unit, ALU. It performs all type of arithmetical and logical operation the user's data. Second, Control Unit, CU. This unit control the flow of information and data between the CPU and other part of the computer. Now, third thing is memory. It stores input data, instructions and processed information inside the computer. Next is storage devices. A storage device is any computing hardware that is used for storing, porting and extracting data, files and objects. For example, hard disk, CD, DVD, flash drive, memory stick, Blu-ray disc, etc. Now, second important thing is software. What is software? Computer software, also called software, is a set of instructions and its documentation that tells a computer what to do or how to perform a task. Software includes different software programs on a computer, such as application and the system software. Software can be categorized as system software, application software and utility software. In system software, programming languages, operating system, language translator. In application software, word processing, DBMS, browsers, graphics, and in utility software, antivirus, text editing, file management. System software. System software is a set of programs that controls the working of your computer system. It acts as an interface between the user and the computer. For example, operating system, Windows XP, Windows Vista, etc. Here, various versions of Windows are. Since Windows introduced in 1995 as an operating system, many improvements have been made in it. As a result, many different versions of Windows operating system have been released. So, for Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows NT, Windows 2000, Windows XP. Application software. The software designed to help the user in performing a certain type of work is called application software. And application software can help user to solve a specific problem. For example, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, etc. Thank you, students.